Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create the zoom text effect intro in Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so go ahead and open up Capcut, and now I'm going to create a new project. So I'm going to click on new project, and now once I'm in my new project, I want to click onto text and then click on add text. So now we've got text added to our timeline. So I'm going to click in the text field, default text, and on the top right hand side we got text basic, and now I am going to give it some text. So I'm going to type in river like so. Font size, I'll make it 20. Font, I'm going to choose a different font because steady's quite boring. I might do steady. I reckon that's going to look pretty cool for this intro. And from here I can change the color if I like, but I'm just going to keep it white. I'm going to scroll down, and then where it says position and size, I'm going to add some keyframes. So I'm at the start of the text here, I'm going to add a keyframe there, and now with the slider I'm going to move it across to 2 seconds and put another keyframe there, but I'm going to change the scale to max like so. And now on the timeline, I'm going to make this text a little bit shorter. So I'm going to bring this slider across to the 2 second mark. So if I go ahead and press play, we've got the start of the zoom text intro. Now from here, you just want to simply export your work to your PC. Make sure to export in the highest resolution you've got, 2K, 4K. Click on export. That's going to export it to your device, so give that a few moments to do its magic. So I'm going to pause the video and get back to you once this is done. Alright, that's exported to my PC, so I'm going to delete this text here, and I'm going to go to media, and then I'm going to click on import, and I'm going to import that video I just exported. So here it is here. So I'm going to import this video, and now I'm going to drag it to my timeline. I'm going to press play. There you go, that's the text I created. So I'm going to drag this slider to the front of the video. And now we want to add a video to this to have this effect on. So we can go to pexels.com and find whatever video, or if you got any video in mind, just add it here. But I'm just going to show you some videos in Pexel. So I'm going to do this river one. So I'm going to go ahead and download it. Then I'm going to import this video. So this is 80 megs, so yeah, it's got a few seconds. Once this is finished downloading, I'm going to import it to Capcut. So it's got a few seconds to go here. Alright, cool, that's done. So now I'm going to go import, and that's that video there. So now I'm going to drag this video to my timeline. And this video is huge, by the way, so I might just chop it off at the 5 second mark here. So I'm going to hit split, and delete the rest of that video. Don't need it. Alright, come back to the start. Now I want the text to be on top, to be the top layer, and the rain or the river at the bottom layer of this video. So this is what we've got so far. So if I press play, so we need to remove that black background on this first video, on the top video. So we need to remove the black. So to do this, click on the top video, and now come over here where it says video, and click on blend, and then click on mode here, and then we want to multiply. So find multiply, there it is there. So if I go ahead and press play, let's have a look. Looks pretty neat. So if we go back to the start of the video, you can see the black is slowly getting removed from this effect. So if I press play again, there you go, and that's just from blend, mode, click multiply. Now from here you can get really creative, give it some music. So I might go ahead and import a track from my device here. This one here, Shake by Ano. So add this to the timeline like so. If I press play, alright, that sounds pretty good. Now I'm just gonna cut this track here. So I'm gonna click on the audio, go split, delete the rest of the audio I don't like. And now from here I can export this and use this as an intro to whatever video I want to make in the future.